So here's my review of the Quickbooks Cash Register Plus bundle. It comes with software. It's a free level software, so it's free, but QuickBooks actually doesn't let you download it for free anymore. So you have to buy it in the bundle if you want it. And then it comes with this cash drawer that's connected to the software and the receipt printer as well. Just for like one of these printers, it's almost $200, and I paid $200 for my bundle. I bought it when it was on sale, so it was a good value. And then a cash drawer that's connected and integrated with it. You can't beat that. So what I found with this, with the free level software, it works good for my business. For what I do is I just have a boutique style store, so I don't have to save any customers. I don't really save any customer information or anything like that. All I do is just sell products, so it works pretty good. I actually don't have a barcode scanner, but it does work with a barcode scanner. I don't, because we have like a boutique and we sell products and rent out spaces, so we have a bunch of different people that are vendors here. So I just type in, because they don't have UPC codes on their items, obviously, because they're a lot of handmade stuff. But so like if I wanted to sell a tie, I just start typing it in, and then you can see it narrows it down to tie bar or tie, different products that I have in the computer that I put in the system. And it stores definitely a lot of products. You can kind of see there that it narrows it down as you type in more. But yeah, I like it for what we do. It works really well. And then you can see your tax, some of your sales tax collected and all that. Your sales, it shows reports and stuff. If you go to your reports, you can see your reports of your best and worst sellers, most common returns, a detailed summary, department summary, which is we actually put in different vendors as different departments so that we can keep their sales separate and stuff. Yeah, the department summary is where it shows their sales and you can keep it separate and stuff. Date comparisons, you can see different time periods, when are your busiest times. Sales over time shows it by like your hours, so we're open 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So it kind of shows what hours are your busiest hours when you have the most sales. It breaks it down over hours, or however you want to break it down. You can do days, I believe. Date comparison, that's where you can see it's like 2 weeks and see which ones are better. Like I use that sometimes to compare last year's sales to this year's sales. Payment methods, it shows credit cards, checks, cash, whatever they pay with. And then you can look at your tax detail and break down, I guess, when you do sales tax. So what I like about the QuickBooks bundle, it's a free software, but you can't download anymore because they don't want to give out free software, I guess. But I liked it. I like it for what we do. Like I wouldn't do it for a different business, where you need to like invoice people and stuff like that. But for like a convenience store, or where you're just making sales and you need a receipt and to keep track of your sales and stuff like that, it works perfect for what we need. I'll go ahead and print a receipt so you can see what they look like. I don't want to print a receipt because then I'll have to return it, but I'll just reprint an old receipt. So, and you can see, just print that real quick so you can see how fast it prints and what it looks like. But it's a nice little receipt. You can put your logo on it, that's what we did, and it makes it look really nice. Even has a barcode it makes for it, so if they need to do an exchange or return, you can look at that. This one's a reprinted one because I just reprinted one that I already did today. But yeah, it's a nice little system for the price you pay. You can get it for like $250. I actually got one for $205 shipped for the whole system. It comes with the software, the cash drawer, and the printer, and it works good. I actually just do my credit card processing separate, just because I don't want to pay. I found better rates than what you could get if you do it integrated, so the software is kind of standalone. Another thing is with employees, you can't really do like a clock in, clock out thing, a time card, but you can get a freeware online for a time card for your employees if you have employees. Yeah, that's about it. But for the money, you can't really beat getting a cash drawer and a printer. Just for that, the printers I've seen are about $200 themselves. So if you shop around, you can get the whole bundle for a good price, and it's nice to have it all integrated, the printer. So I definitely recommend it if you have like a more simple store where you just make sales and you want to keep track of your sales and stuff like that. If you need to do more intricate stuff like invoicing and holding customer information, this probably isn't the best software for you. So yeah, it's a good system.